Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. And this is my simple and easy makeup look. And I'm started doing my makeup with this Patanjali aloe vera gel, or this one I'm using as a primer because I have seen a lot of people are using aloe vera gel as a primer. So I thought, क्यों ना मैं भी try कर लूँ. And I'm applying this one all over my face and my neck, and massaging it with my very light hand. After that, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and my sets is 115, and I'm blending my foundation with the help of this beauty blender, or this beauty blender works really nice. Even my foundation, concealer, or contour, everything blends very perfectly, and I like this beauty blender very much. और ये फाउंडेशन मैं काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. इवन when I uploaded a first video in YouTube, that time also I used same one, and still I'm using the same foundation, or I'm just waiting कि कब ख़त्म होगा and I'll buy new one. But still I like this foundation very much. Or I'm blending this one all over my face in a dab motion. So after my foundation, I'm using a Mars Makeup blusher palette, or it has a 5 different color, and I'm using a medium pinkish color because I wanted to get a glowy look. Or this one I'm applying on my cheeks, my nose, and my chin also. Now I'm using a Kiss Beauty contour stick. It comes with the contour plus highlighter, but I'm using a contour only because I have a round face and a little fat on my face also, so I just wanted to like hide it or something. Yeah. And I'm blending this one in a upward direction. And now I'm using a matte look SD Pro full cover concealer with primer, और इसको मैं अप्लाई करूँगी मेरे आइज़ के अराउंड माई आइज़, just to hide a bit of dark circle. I have a little bit of dark circle around my eyes, so I just wanted to hide. और मैं जब भी आई शेडो अप्लाई करूँगी तो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग के लिए मैं this concealer अप्लाई करूँगी. So I'm blending with the same beauty blender. And now for my brows, I'm using a Swiss Beauty 3 brows powder plus wax cream, and I'm using brown shades for my eyebrows because I don't want to give a very sharp look. I just wanted to give a very natural look, so simply I'm applying it randomly. So इसमें जो ब्रश मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ, ये ब्रश भी ये पैलेट के साथ ही आते हैं, so I'm using same brushes. So I'm just applying it on my eyebrows. So for eyeshadow, I'm using a Jacqueline Hill Morphe palette, and first I'm using a neutral shades, which is a mix of yellow and orange, and applying it all over my crease. And for a brush, I'm using a mermaid blending brush, and second color I'm using a maroon shades, and applying it all over my eyes, even my inner corner, eyelids, and outer corner also. And again I'm using the same brush and blending it very nicely all over my eyes. And now I'm using a purple shade, but it doesn't look like, it's not exactly like a purple, it's a mix of like a little bit of brownish shades also, and applying it on my outer corner because I'm trying to create a kind of, you know, in a darker shades in a outer corner, and a lighter shades in a inner corner. So I'm just applying this one only in my outer corner and blending with again same brush, blending it very nicely in a dab motion. And now I'm using maroon shades for my inner corner and for my eyelids, and blending it in a dab motion. Or this time I'm making a video in my phone, so sometimes a light is fluctuating, sometimes it looks very much whiter, or sometimes it looks a bit of darker. So I'm just checking my phone and confusing which color should I need to pick, and continuously checking my palette. And now I'm picking this brown shimmery color, and I'm just using my fingers to blend this color, because कभी कभी मुझे जब भी shimmery color होता है तब मुझे ब्रश से ज़्यादा मेरा फिंगर से ही अच्छा लगता है ब्लेंड करना। काफ़ी अच्छा भी डिफरेंस लुक भी दिखता है, मुझे लगता है कि ऐसा ही। सो आई एम यूजिंग माई फिंगर्स टू ब्लेंड दिस color. And again I'm using a same color in my lower lash line, but मैं काफ़ी lightly ही apply करूँगी। And now I'm curling my eyelashes in a fan way, like this crisscross. Yeah, I'm checking it's perfect or not. Or after that I'm using a Maybelline hyper curl mascara, just to give a bit of volume on my eyelashes. After that I'm using a matte compact, but I'll apply it very lightly. After compact, I'm last one. This is my Swiss Beauty lipstick, and shades is nude. It's a nude color. So my makeup is done, and this is my look. Hope you guys enjoy my video, and we'll meet very soon. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, see you.